All the cool ones got taken.
Hey, this is pretty cool. Did we sneak in this one?
Huh?
We're not. Yay, Zach! Woo! Yay, Zach! Woohoo! Put your hands up! Hey, we're on this ride. We're here live on this ride. I have no idea. I've never rode this ride. I've never rode this ride, Zach. This is fun.
First time?
You know what's crazy is how short the line was.
Yeah.
Aloha! Merry Christmas! We said Merry Christmas, Zach. Wow, this ride is cool. I've never been on this. This is super duper. Put your hands up, Dorian. Woo! Wow, 5 fires for sure. Oh, we're on, Dorian, we made it. We're on Big Thunder Mountain. Woo! Zach's on Big Thunder Mountain. Whoa, his first roller coaster ride. Yeah, whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Ah, this is super fun. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yeah, sorry. Whoa! We're moving now. Zach! Hi, baby! We're moving now! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Woo-hoo-hoo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woo! All right, this is great. Woo! One more time. Merry Christmas! Woohoo!
We keep doing that boats.
Yeah, that was fun. This is a great ride.
We're probably raining there.
Yeah, Zach, this is so cool.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas!
Papa, miracle Christmas.
Oh, this is fast. Big Thunder Mountain, Zach. Woohoo!
This is his first time.
Woo! And the music, this is great.
Please stay seated.
Throwing your hands, oh my gosh! Woo! That was a great ride.
Now, as they say to the animals,
That was a
just
great
the
ride,
end of the
guys.
sign.